Recording the sewer here today at 1927 East Blenheim. Date is January 12th, 2021. This is a recording I'm making after quite a bit of work has been done on this line to get it back functioning, flowing, and operable. Right now we're sitting down in the Seattle City main. I'm making this recording from our furthest upstream repair that Bob Oates installed as part of the repair work we did here. There's going to be an access point here when we're done, so that this can be accessed again in the future. I'm going to move this just a little bit out of the way here. So, there's the city main. Now we're coming back out of that main into 6-inch diameter concrete pipe. Or is this clay? I think this is actually clay. Now that I'm getting a better look at it, yes, 100%. This is 6-inch diameter clay pipe. Coming back here towards our other repair that we did. So we did 2 repairs to get this line functioning again. One up near the house at the foundation, where the line went from cast iron to the original concrete pipe. And then one downstream where there was another broken section of pipe. As we come back, you're going to see our repair here shortly. A little bit of sewage sitting in there, but it's okay. Coming out, that's our new plastic repair there that we installed as part of the project. See, you've got some good dive on that guy, good grade. That's where it had come apart, was on that graded section. So all's been replaced there. Now we're coming back into this 4-inch diameter concrete pipe. So original 4-inch diameter concrete pipe, been in the ground since the dawn of time. There's a tie-in up on the front there and the top of the pipe. You see that's another line joining. This could be a downspout. And a little bit of toilet paper down there. Pretty typical. Chunk of the clay pipe right there. We'll have to blast that back out of here before we're all done. Coming back around a turn here. This is almost directly under the tree near the repair. Back into our plastic pipe. So we're connected onto the concrete there. Coming back into our new PVC pipe here. Coming out of a couple turns, and then up out of the trench. So there will be a clean out access here when we're all said and done, but there's the new downspout piping and the new PVC repair. We'll end the video there, and we're just about done out here.